Spider-Man sifted and navigate what through the reality available to help find the best possible solution to the problem. They have a problem, don't you? But happy to report, overcome and killed in battle. Apparently they're working for a new clandestine organization bent on world domination. Kind of brief exclamation, the quick question mark. Back to the mark, back to the homeland, back to the start. Where they were gonna work, trust me. They're all blown. The fools, they're all roam. It's like believing their tricks like doom. Like a mega boom, it's like it's not great. We're not safe for God's sake. It's like they're in the army of doom bots. Dinosaur men, they're on a rampage. Deadly dinos, Spider-Man conquer.